Yeah, I think I see a green side on it. Looks alright. It's bright.
Very bright.
Hey. Sawadika. That's good.
Oh, and a little pocket here. Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah. Watch it doesn't take off. Oh.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, cup and car. Still going.
Maybe it's a bit too much.
Okay. New tender cover.
We've just walked all the way from Alpo Ground Marina up here to this GT Chandlery. We did go past another small one on the way. She was very nice. Gave us a bottle of water. Didn't buy anything, just to get because we're hot.
Yeah.
But they're shut. It was 12:10.
Yes.
And they're shut from 12 till 1. So now we're just sitting here. There's no shops. Can't get lunch. Can't get a drink.
It's too far just to walk back, so, and it's too hot, so
We're sweating.
chilling.
So we're just sitting on the steps waiting.
Yep. Yeah, if we can get it. Hey. Hello, matey.
Well, we've started our clears. We had a day of rain and everything got wet that we didn't like, so we've now started putting our clears on. So we've trimmed our rope track up under the saloon roof up here. They were coiled in a suitcase that we brought over. It took us a couple of months to straighten it all out. It didn't like that, but yeah, we've trimmed it to length. Glued it up in under the roof line here. And this has got the back off it at the moment, so that'll clip up and be covered. And it's glued in neatly underneath. And we've Sikaflexed it all the way. And very strong already. It hasn't even fully cured and I can't budge that, so it's looking all right. And here's the work in progress. So we've duct taped it to hold it up tight. Oh, it's not quite as tight as the other one. That'll bug me for months. And clamped it into position. That's just curing off tonight. Tomorrow we'll release it all and then we'll start on the clears. We're not getting as much done as I'd like. Yesterday it was 38.5 degrees and there's a little bit of humidity. It is stinking, and I can thank very much for this air conditioning that we optioned for. They are working a treat. I'm going back in there now. Must be hot again. It's time to make shades and clears. So we're doing our front clears, our side clears. So we've got our template material out again. We've just marked out our rough lines. So we'll cut this out first. So we'll cut it out, get an idea, and then we'll try it again with a dry fit.
Yeah, the lead weight moved.
Inch there, giving you production. There's no holes. If you want to put that on the winch, we've got to unclip it all. Or we need to put a couple of zips in here to feed it in and get it on the winch.
Okay, so we've just finished making our template for our clears, and now we're just marking it onto the clear plastic. The Regal glass, isn't it? Regal glass is
Regal
called?
light.
Regal light. Right. For our first one, so it's a bit nerve-wracking because they're extremely expensive and quite challenging to get here. And this is our view for today's project.
It's hot again.
Yeah, it's warm again. So you're lucky he's got his t-shirt on again and he's not running around in his boxers. Here is
Anyway, it's my favourite job.
Yes.
At least I'm sitting this time. I'm happier.
So we're doing 40mm.
40mm borders on the edge of the clears, which is just off the edge, so it's going to be mostly clears.
We're hoping. And our board is slightly longer than this last time.
It's 3 times longer.
That's why I'm moving my hand out the way.
Don't trust me.
No, I don't. I don't trust anyone with a knife.
The bobbin ran out. 5 centimetres in.
Steve's going to be devastated about us, how we're treating this plastic.
It's fine, there's not a mark on it.
Stinky.
Well, it is hot. Take 2.
Oh, it's been a lot more than 2. Give it.
Is the roof clean enough to start collecting rainwater?
Don't know.
Oh man, that's colder. Fresh prawn delivery. So there, you catch prawns? Prawns. Ah.
Prawn today.
Prawns today.
Netting.
So where you catch? In the net?
Netting.
Netting.
In the
yes.
net?
Yeah,
In the net? Oh,
yeah.
okay. Prawns.
Prawn.
Yeah, so how much? Oh yeah. Shall they? How much?
Cost.
Cost?
Money?
How
How
much?
much?
Get the wire.
How many? Oh, like how many? Like how much they cost? So 1, 2. How many you want, Joe? Half a dozen?
$400.
400. So what's that? 20. Oh, that's a bit much. 200. 200 is good. 200 is good. Otherwise, I get
How much?
them. Oh,
How much?
jeez.
6. They'll pay on this.
So 400, 20 bucks. So that's 6. That's $3 a prawn.
10, 5. 1,000.
1,000. Oh, gee, you should catch his own.
Ni.
You got 400?
Yeah, all right, just do it. Oh, no.
You're just doing
I'll just get one out.
prawns.
These are the smaller ones. Reasonable size prawns. So yeah, we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 prawns. I think we paid a premium, but it was novel getting them off the guy turning up at the back of the boat, so paid for them. Change of dinner plans. We've decided we're not going to cook the prawns into a curry. We're going to do crumb prawns. So we've just crumbed them. Now, what was it? What did he crumb them in? What mayonnaise was it? Oh, Caesar salad. So
We use because we don't have. Oh, we do have mayonnaise, but we thought we'd
we don't have much mayonnaise. So
Caesar salad dressing.
we got Caesar salad dressing. Got our Caesar salad dressing here with our prawns, and I butterfly cut them. And our panko crumbs that were so big we've had to crush them up smaller. So we're about to give them a crumb and fry them on the barbie. I reckon they'll be delicious. I reckon they're going to be good.
I think people are going to say we destroyed them, but we'll give it a
I
shot.
reckon they're
It's
fantastic.
fun. And it's going to go with a curried noodle vegetable. It's a weird combination.
So are we taking on Dreamtime Sailing and their adventurous cooking?
No.
Come on, you gotta beat Karen.
No, Karen wins over this.
Let's butterfly the prawns. These won't take very long at all, I think, because they're so thin. Alright, let's wait. bit of a wrestle with the barbecue. Finally got it. Oh, they're looking good.
They're definitely not up to Karen's standard, I don't
Oh, I
reckon.
don't know. Give her a run, eh? I'm sure there'll be a comment. They look alright.
Oh well, let's see what
Spare
they
at the
taste
moment.
like.
I reckon they're good.
What are you doing? Not quite our
Not our music.
not quite our music, and I don't think it's really anyone else's.
But whose is it? We're the only ones here.
So
Oh, there's 2 tourists here. That's all
yeah,
we need.
this
4
is the
people.
bar. The bar that on
Nina Bar.
Nina Bar on Nina Beach.
No, yeah, and it's, I forget the name of the island.
So they do glamping by the looks of it here.
Here's that island.
Koh Naka Nina Beach.
Something's on my toes. Koh Naka #1, Nina Beach.
Was that a big boo-boo?
That's a big boo-boo. You fed it into me.
I didn't feed it into you.
Oh, now you're unpicking them. Now we start again.
This is a big boo-boo.
That's good for that side.
We put them on without looking at where the press dots were. They're on the wrong side. So I'm picking. My job.
I was happy with that sewing job.
Mm.
And I've sewed about 4 times over. They're tough as.
No.
Unpicking, back on the sewing machine. Job's not over.